Hello and welcome to Dotto Tech. I kind of miss the old days in computing when we configured and modified our own PCs. Now, I don't miss the skin knuckles and the frustration when the video card conflicted with the audio card and the latest drivers broke the printer. But I do miss the input, the ability to decide what performance features work best for me. Today, we usually go to the computer store and pick out a pre-configured system right off the shelf. It's not bad, and actually you get a well-balanced system with everything pretty much guaranteed to work. But we do lose a little control and a lot of personality. But hey, it's the same almost everywhere now. Buy a car and you pick out a package of factory options, and you seldom get to customize it yourself prior to purchase. Well, today I want to show you a step in the custom direction. Alienware is a manufacturer that's been building super customized and configured gaming systems for a long time. Now, gamers, more than anyone else, are into the core components of their system. And the world of gaming still pushes systems more than most any other application. But Alienware is now branched out, reaching those of us who are interested in adding some personality to our computers. Personality and power, those are the hallmarks of Alienware. So I have here 3 different systems that I've configured for 3 different tasks. The desktop here is designed to be an affordable gaming platform. The notebooks are designed to fit into student and condo dwellers' lifestyles. The really neat thing about Alienware is you can spec out all the system details yourself, and they take care of making sure that all of the pieces work together, and they're the ones skinning their knuckles. And it goes way beyond choosing which hard drive or just how much memory you want in a system. It's about personalizing the system for you. It's pretty tough to show you in a notebook all of the little component details that have gone into it. I'll show you online how we configured them in a few moments. But with this desktop, let me talk you through some of the things that I decided were important when we built it. Now, with all of the Alienware systems, you're going to notice right out of the gate that the case itself is almost a work of art. And they've done a lot of effort making the case A, functional, and B, aesthetically pleasing. And it's got a really nice look, and once the light package is all lit up, they all look very unique, so you can customize them an awful lot yourself. And they've got the ability to pop in here, and we see all of the drive bays. They've got the media ports and all of that, all really nice and available, but also nicely kind of camouflaged, so it's got a really nice overall look. When we pop the system itself open, we see the other kind of hallmark of the Alienware systems, and one of them is it's a huge case. Now, we need a big case because we pack a lot of components in, but it's all about cooling. So they need room in here for liquid cooling that some of them require, and the extra fans that all of them require to keep these systems running cool. Now, I built this with a huge honking processor, a big custom dual-headed video card, lots of memory, a couple of drives, including a Blu-ray drive, but you can see there's plenty of room for me to expand, adding more memory, more video cards if I need, and lots more media should I need it. Now, one of the things that happens with a system like this, as I said, cooling is one of the most important aspects of it. And cooling means that you need extra fans and extra cooling capabilities. Now, this one has a simple extra fan in here that helps to cool the system as well as the main system fan. But one of the things that you recognize when you start adding fans is the systems tend to start to get a lot noisier. The roar of the fans, the constant roar of the fans, makes the systems quite loud, and they create a lot of background noise. So I added a really important feature here, which is acoustic dampening, which will quiet the system down a lot. And when you have it in a small office, you'll appreciate having the system run a little bit quiet. And so sometimes it's the small things that make a big difference. And for me, having a nice quiet system is one of the most important aspects. Now, you are going to pay a little bit more for custom-built systems like this one, but you get all of the things that are important to you, and you don't pay for capabilities that you never intend to use. This system here is going to be used in our office, first of all, for testing games that are sent to us, and then I'm going to retire it as a killer desktop system in the office. But our office is quite small, so this acoustic dampening might be the single most important long-term addition to the computer. For the short term, though, that processor, the massive amount of memory, and the state-of-the-art video card are going to be put to the test as we test out games. Now, we're going to come back in a few moments and have a look at how you configure your own system. I have to tell you, things have come a long way in the past 15 years.